This is Alex here, Chief Design Engineer on the Paul project, and although the RoboSumo competition is finished now, I just wanted to make one final video on the design aspects of this project. So I have here a drawing I did, as you can see, on the 21st of November, so that was about a week before the competition when we were finalising the design and beginning construction. So what I have here is the main body before bending. So what this is the sheet of aluminium, 1.5mm aluminium, which is obviously very light and easy to work with. This is the size of aluminium sheet we had available, so we were able to make the dimensions work well with the design for the body. So as you can see, this part up here would be the front of the body. This is what you'd see looking in. So what I did was rounded over the edges just so it's not sharp and pose a danger to anyone. I then I drilled a hole in each corner here and drilled one big hole in the center, which I was able to fit a junior hacksaw through to cut out this and then file it out. I drilled two other holes here and here, which I was then able to use my needle files to file out the final holes for the sensors, the color sensors. And of course this had to be bent into shape, so I have the bend lines drawn in here and here. Now when we go over here to the main body after the bending, we can ignore the plough for now. We can see how this is the front part of the body, which will attack the other robot. This is the base, which the motors and the breadboard will sit on, and this is the kickback resistor. Now you can see it's about 5 or 6 millimeters off the ground, but as you can see in some of my other pictures and drawings, I've included a piece of plastic which will in fact bring this down to about 2 millimeters to prevent the robot from kicking back. Now when we take the plough into consideration, although this wasn't used in the actual competition, I still think it's important to acknowledge this design feature. So basically, when the referee places the two robots on the table, the plough will be upright and resting against this. It's joined at this joint here with electrical tape. I tried using sellotape and masking tape just to see would they be a better option, but the sellotape was quite flimsy and the masking tape just tended to rip, so the best alternative to this was the electrical tape. So when the plough then flips, or is supposed to flip down at the start of the bout, it creates this angle here, so the other robot drives onto the plough and the windshield here prevents it from getting onto the breadboard and Arduino here. So that's just one final outline of the design features of the main body of Paul. So thanks for keeping up with us in the blog so far. I hope you've enjoyed my posts and videos, so thanks for watching.